Hi guys, how's it going? How to use Trello AI for streamlining projects. So if you want to make your projects easier, faster, and more organized to manage, go ahead and click your browser and search for Trello AI Streamline Projects. Scroll a little bit down and you're gonna find the Strategy AI Power Up, right? Which is amazing feature or amazing AI feature that you can integrate with your Trello. And Strategy AI solves the disconnected data needs between mid-market executives and the project's businesses use to deliver their strategies through what we call strategy profiling. And here you're gonna know more that here you're gonna really have the opportunity to know more about the features, fully embedded single access platforms, no additional tooling, no migrations, flexibility to suit the most complex across dependencies. Cross initiatives tagging means you can finally break free from the constraints and restrictions of portfolio hierarchies, right? And you can see right here, plan and report both cyclically and strategically. And you're gonna see right here the functionality, right? Easily tag cards that are critical, strategic, and match your businesses initiatives. You can see right here the example: new flyer prompting summer vegan menu. You're gonna see right the planning chart, plan access, and you can use mapping, right? You can easily tag cards that are critical, strategic, and match your business initiatives, and quickly visualize how cards cross business initiatives, so you can deprioritize work that isn't critical or strategic, right? And if you like what you see, you can go ahead and scroll a little bit up, sorry, and you can add the power up to your Trello, and then select your card, right? I have at least 4 cards, so I'm gonna add it to my test card, right? So scroll a little bit down and then hit add. And as you can see right here, now you can go back to your board, right? And see how you can leverage your AI to basically leverage AI for your cards, basically on analysis. You can go ahead right here and say add an example, let's say title, right? And then I'm gonna click this Trello, right? You're gonna see right here the strategy AI. So from here, you're gonna be able to analyze and showcase your analysis. It will make your project more easier, faster, and more organized to manage. So that's one of the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.